Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This project is in collaboration with Bloom with Creativity, and this is hosted by Theresa BDIY and Freckled Mom. Links of their channels and as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. This is the final reveal of all my projects for Bloom with Creativity, and I love spring, so I did some of the spring themed projects. So let's get started with this cute Hello Spring board. And like you saw, this was one of the wooden sign, and I painted white, and I stuck this floral spring themed tissue paper on it, like I decoupaged it, and after it dried. And these are the foam letters, and I just picked Hello Spring, and I just dabbed it with the black paint, and I stuck it. They're kind of stickers. They stick in there's a sticky part in the bag, so I just stuck it back to this this floral wall. And I created a bow with one of this blue ribbon, and also one sheer ribbon, pink one, so it matches the flower and the butterflies and everything in there, so it goes well with the theme. Since purple is also part of the background, so I thought like I'll stick it on the top. So this is one of the beautiful sign I'm very much happy with, so let me know your thoughts on this. Just one, and this one you might have seen in Dollar Tree, and this is one of the flower pot container, or you can put a lot of stuff. So I thought like I would fill some greenery, and this is also from Dollar Tree, the eucalyptus, for eucalyptus greenery. And I just stuffed the paper bags, and then I stuffed a little bit of the foam that I can stick all these greeneries to. Just to embellish this flower pot or planter, I just basically created a bow with 3 sheer ribbons, light pink, dark pink, and lavender. And I just stuck one of the thing in the center. I don't know what that is. So I created a bow, and I also made it look like butterfly. If you can see, it looks like butterfly to you. I think it looks butterfly to me. That's the idea behind it. So I just stuck one of the butterfly in the center, that it flew around those flowers. So yeah, this is the look I wanted to give here. So I'm absolutely loving this also, and I love this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And you already saw this one is from my previous project. I created one of the golden basket, metallic one, and I painted black. And this is one of the store topper. I also painted black, and I just gave like a razor. And this is one of the mason jar sign, You Inspire Me, and it had some flowers and greenery stuck in the bottom, and I just plucked it out, and I painted white in those areas, and I stuck some greenery in the bottom. And then these are some burlap flowers, beautiful pink color, and then I twined it on the neck of the bottle, and I just stuck some greenery over there. That's all it needs, and I'm very happy about this project as well. And let me know your thoughts on this. So these are the few simple and easy spring projects that I want to share here. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.